love.
Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. I wanted to give you an update on my latest braid out style. Here's how it started on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, starting to fluff out a bit, and then it evolves into my favorite kinky fro by Friday and today. Every night at bedtime, I put my braid out into a pineapple style so that it helps maintain the pattern for as long as possible. And every morning, all I do is take the pineapple down and add a little lightweight oil or serum to my hands to help prevent friction. And so I gently place my hair into its desired shape. And that's it. So towards the end of the braid out styles or the twist out styles, it evolves into this thick, kinky fro that I absolutely adore. Quick story time here. So shout out to the beauty who approached me at Walmart, aka Wally World. I had just finished my live from last week's braid session and for this braid out actually, and she saw me and was like, "Oh my, I just saw you on YouTube." She says, "I was just watching your live," and she was the sweetest. And honestly, that moment was so surreal. I was so surprised, like, really? You just saw me on YouTube? I know that, I guess at some point I'm going to be recognized somewhere, for sure, but just because someone actually walked up and was like, "I just saw your live on YouTube," it was so surreal, y'all. Such a great experience. And yeah, it's just one thing to see you all supporting me online, but to actually be recognized out in public, that was such a special moment for me. So shout out to you, beauty. I truly appreciate every single one of you who supports this channel. And a special shout out to my channel members, of course. Thank you so much for your extended support. Your memberships truly help me continue creating and pushing out content for this community. So thank you to you beauties from the bottom of my heart. And if you should want to join my membership, just hit the join button here on this channel. We have early access to content. I already have a few challenges that I've done with scalp massages. I've put out some great tips and tricks on that. So make sure you join. Hit the join button today. So anyway, I just thought I should give my beauty that I saw at Walmart a quick shout out right here. You know who you are. So I decided to show you all how my hair evolves over time when I wear my braid out. In this case, this style lasted for a full week. I just love how convenient braid out styles are. I don't have to manipulate my hair too much or really at all. And that's a huge plus for me. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I get compliments every time I rock this style. This braid out kinky fro style is going to get a compliment no matter where I'm at the store, outside, it doesn't matter. It's going to get a compliment. that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble.